Welcome back to the Bucket Boys. It has been a while since we've been on hard ice. And you know what? I am excited that we are back. It is 2 days before Christmas, and I am back in southern Iowa. It's very windy today. If you haven't been paying attention to the weather, there has been a major blizzard that came through Iowa. It hasn't really dumped a lot of snow, but it's been windy and cold as all get out. I basically came to one of the farm ponds on our family's ground down here in southern Iowa and found the most secluded pond I could find. Pretty much out of the wind down here. You can really kind of hear it ripping in the trees beside me, but honestly it's pretty warm. It's -4 degrees outside right now, but we're going to try to catch some fish. So stick with me. Hopefully this pans out. There's some really nice crappie in this pond. Also catch a lot of dinky bass and some green sunfish, so maybe those will be mixed in too. Never know what you're going to find out here. There could be some other stuff as well. Hope you enjoy this one. This is the Bucket Boys. Alright, I've already got some marking down here, and we're on. Holy cow. That's how you do it. I couldn't even get my lure down. Holy cow. There were at least 3 of them down there. Let's get this guy off. Look at that. We are on him. Let's get him back before he freezes. There we go. Wow, look at these crappie. Look at that. I love it. Let's bring you around and so you can see what's happening here. I don't know if you can see that guy. He's coming up on me. There we go. Little guy. Whew, this is hard. Holy cow, we already got another one down there. Not sure you can see. Here he comes. Coming up on me. Come on. There we go. More of these green sunfish. This is such a cluster. I apologize. This self-filming deal is tough. Can't say I've ever caught too many green sunfish through the ice. That's kind of cool. They're still down there. I'm going to get back. So these crappie are coming through in packs pretty much. So let's calm down here a little bit. It was, as you can tell, very chaotic there for a little bit. Now we got one coming in. Here's a good one. Oh yeah! Woo! Look at that crappie. Heck yeah. Love it. We already got one down there. See if we can get down to him in time. Ooh, we didn't like that. Came in a little too aggressive. So again, I'm going to jig about 2 feet off bottom. I don't want to be too close to the bottom because a lot of these fish, where you got one coming up here, actually feed upwards. So when you put that lure below them, they can't see it as easily. Here we come, here we come. There we go. This is going to be a nice crappie. Check out that one. I love it. It's getting back. It's very cold. Healthy release. Can you see him going? Oh, no, you can't because I don't have the camera flipped around. I'm going to bring the other camera tomorrow. Okay, so like I was saying, fishing for crappie, or really any smaller panfish, bluegill included in this as well. If you notice, their eyes are kind of oriented on top of their head. So they really, here we go, they feed up. So when you're jigging them, you want to kind of get above them. And typically they will work up to your lure, except for in this instance when I really want to prove a point. And he's gone. We'll drop back down a little bit. But by pulling them up and away from the school that they're in, you can really elicit more of an aggressive feeding response. Here we go. We got one coming in. Oh, missed him. Come on. Here he comes again. There we go. We got him now. Another nice crappie. There's one we just pulled up. They're not huge, but they sure are fun. Send him back down. He's healthy. Still -4 outside, so this is hard to film out here. Holy cow. Got one chasing. Come on. Here we go. Come on. Oh, this is a good one. Oh, yeah. Oh, I love it. Calm down. Look at that. Flippin' love it. Hurry up and get down there. There's another one. There we go. Oh, that's a greenie. I really need to get a camera over here so you guys can see this screen. It is just bonkers right now. Holy cow, that's gonna be a good crappie. Look at that. And they're still down there. These green sunfish, I tell you what. I know where I need to come next summer for flathead bait. Holy cow. Oh, I need to warm my hands up. It's been non-stop removing fish from my line since I got here. Holy crap. Whew. So for tackle today, I'm using a, I don't know if you can see that, a double jointed, or I think it's just a jointed pinhead minnow from clam, tipped with maggots or spikes. I'm running a medium light rod. I think this is a 32 inch. I've been slowly trending towards longer rods the past few years. And honestly, I'm not a big fan of the inline reels. Spinning, that's where it's at. Just don't even waste your money on those other ones. Spinning's where it's at. And as always, in cold weather, braid can be kind of a pain in the butt, but the sensitivity of it, I just don't think you can beat it. You really know what's going on the end of your line. Got one coming in above us. We'll bring it up. Wow, that was fast. There we go. I love this so much. There's more down there. I'm gonna get back in. I really should have brought my mittens today because I cannot get my hands in and out of these gloves. So for structure here, when you're in a small pond like this, there really isn't too much for structure. But this pond was recently dredged mechanically, probably 3 years ago, with a long arm excavator. So along the periphery, there's a really deep cut, and those crappie really seem to be targeting that area. Behind me, it gets a little bit deeper, probably about 6 feet deep, whereas we're pushing down into 10, 11 feet in this cut. I'm actually pulling back a little bit to the edge, and it seems like those crappie are really relating to that structure. Even in small bodies of water, you need to use structure to your advantage. We could probably catch fish out in the middle of the pond. Oh, here we go. Did not like that. I probably need to shut up and actually fish. But like I was saying, use structure whenever you can to your advantage. Here we come. There we go. That's what we're after. Oh, I will apologize that this video ended so abruptly, but it is so cold outside that all of my battery just gone. I got on a few more good crappie, but quite honestly, when it's this cold and I'm not having a camera that's rolling, I'm gonna get back out of here. I think I have some hot chocolate back home that has my name written all over it, and that sounds a lot nicer than -1 below zero. It was -4 when I rolled up here, so it is warming up. That's a positive. Hopefully we can get back out, get a few more here over Christmas weekend, but I hope you guys enjoyed this. Trying to get a little bit more teaching going in these videos. The new Humminbird will really help with that. That digital screen, you can actually see what's going on. My old Markham, it just flashes and you can't see what's going on with the electronics. So hopefully that's a game changer for our videos. If you guys have any questions, please drop them in the comments below. But that's this video. That's Bucket Boys. My name's Jake. We'll see you later.